While there is a cleaning or sweeping issue, a push sweeper can optimally complete all the applications. Essentially, the push sweepers are a convenient alternative to sweeping all the dust, gravel, twigs, and other dry dirt from your ground. So in today's video, we are going to show you 5 outdoor push sweepers that will make your cleaning more effective and efficient than the conventional ones. So without further ado, let's get started.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Would you like an efficient, smooth, and clean sweeper for your lawn and outdoor area? Then have a look at the Stiga SWP 577, a consumative machine that keeps your spaces dust-free. This hand-propelled sweeper is purposive for both indoor and outdoor use at public or residential places while allowing you to cover up to 3,000 square meters per hour. Consisting of 2 counter-rotating, easy-adjustable brushes, this push sweeper measures 41 centimeters in diameter and provides up to 77 centimeters cleaning width. It comes with an ergonomic and reversible handlebar and 275mm rubber wheels, so you can have comfortable driving with a hassle-free user experience. The 2 air filters of the sweeper prevent even the smallest particles from escaping, while the 50-liter dust collector ensures you have a long time cleaning. So Stiga SWP 577 is a powerful yet easy-to-use sweeper that comes with many robust features and is capable of taking place in your shortlist. Now get your hands on the Ryobi 318 SW3-0, an ideal cordless sweeper that comes with a long run time with standout features. Having 2 side brushes with 53 centimeters of cleaning width, this sweeper ensures your upper-level cleaning against edges while providing a wide collection area for minimal passes. It features a transparent 17-liter waste container so that you won't have any trouble when emptying is necessary. With the use of its 5.0 amp-hour battery, this cordless sweeper can run up to 200 minutes from a single charge and provides you extra longevity. It includes a foot-accuted on-off switch and a height-adjustable handlebar that provides you time-saving operations with comfort and easy control. Overall, if you're looking for a cordless sweeper with extraordinary aspects and enormous runtime, then keep your eye on the Ryobi R18SW3-0. Powerful, high-efficient, and stable. Meet with a hand-push industrial sweeper of TFCFL that comes with extra robust features to ensure your maximum level of performance. With its self-propelled drive mode, this sweeper can cover a huge 39,611 square feet of ground per hour, so you can keep your living space or workplaces clean and dust-free. It provides a large working width of 105 centimeters, and with the use of 48 centimeter high-density nylon brushes, the industrial sweeper brings precision to your cleaning on any hard surface. Moreover, it has a large 55-liter barrel capacity so that you won't have to evacuate each time you use it. Additionally, this sweeper adopts a noise reduction design for which you will be able to have a comfortable and clean environment with convenience and space-saving impressions. In short, this industrial sweeper is sturdy, durable, and has high-efficiency working qualities to be on your shortlist. Now let's talk about the generic industrial floor sweeper, a quality machine that is easy to use and comes at a competitive price. This floor sweeper provides you with 5 times quicker cleaning than a conventional broom while sweeping a huge 38,000 square feet per hour so that you don't need to worry about cleaning large spaces. Coming with an onboard 48-liter waste container, it makes simple emptying and doesn't get dirty during the operations. It has a human-powered sweeping mechanism, which means you don't need electricity to run it, as you can just push it with minimum physical effort and operate quietly. So, in order to get a competent and noiseless sweeping machine, you must purchase it without any hesitation. Coming up with all the up-to-date features for your precise and effortless cleaning, the Karcher S4 Twin Push Sweeper will meet all your needs by giving you many facilities. This push sweeper can clean up to 26,000 square feet per hour, while providing you with 5 times better performance than traditional ones. Having a 5.25-gallon waste container, this sweeper offers you hassle-free sweeping instead of misspending time by moving dust from here to there. Weighing only 22 pounds, this sweeper can be moved with a simple push so that you can complete your jobs labor-free. It includes 2 powerful roller brushes, which have a width of 680 millimeters in total, so that you can have flawless cleaning. All things considered, if you're seeking an effective and ergonomic hand-push sweeper for your household or industrial needs, the Karcher S4 is the ultimate choice for you. So, that was our list of the 5 outdoor push sweepers just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this one on your feed.